Gonna be reviewing the Undercover Daybreaks in the yellow colorway. Well, it's not exactly yellow, it's called Bright Citron. But, yeah, here we have it in hand right now. These were going for a lot earlier. Like $300 or $400. Suede on the gray over here. Soft material on a yellow. Leather swoosh. Plastic heel counter with white speckles. The sole is white with Undercover Jun Takahashi printed on right here. Black speckles remind me of like a Oreo milkshake. Suede on the back right here as well. This little flip tab. Leather on this part over here. Here's the inside of the shoe. The Nike seems to be in blue. Can't really tell in the camera, but yeah, it's blue. Also, the tongue here is a Nike Undercover in blue as well. You can see it's like Jun Takahashi signature right here. Black laces. It doesn't come with anything else. It's just the black laces, and there's like no other accessories included. Basic bottom right over here. Kind of like the tailwinds. I really like this colorway. The plastic heel counter gives the shoe that really special look to it, you know? I know that like they made a couple colorways of this, like black or blue, but this one is really bright. Love it. This is a size 8. Fits true to size. If you go true to size, it might be a little bit long because the toe area right here is like sticks out more, but the width is really good. Retailed for $150, and I got this one at RSVP Gallery. Oh yeah, and also the inside here, I don't think if I say it, but the inside here is a leather material, the white, with a little bit of like polyester or something right below it. Thank you guys for watching, and hope you guys liked this video. We got it pretty early.